Hi friends, welcome. Thank you everyone for joining in. Today is going to be a very interesting session, and we're having Shootguru today with us, and we'll be talking a lot about how one can start with, and how can we leverage whatever limited equipments we have, and we can make something out of that. Thank you so much. We're just waiting for Shootguru to join in, and then we'll start. Okay, we have him. Hey,
Hey, can you see me now?
finally, yes, I can see you now. How are you?
Good, good, good. How are you?
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining in today. And I think,
Oh, it's
it'll
a
be
pleasure.
very
It's always
interesting.
a pleasure.
Yes, absolutely. I think it's going to be a very interesting session because we're talking about,
I hope so.
filmography and photography, with minimalistic appearance. We have a lot of, photographers joining in. So absolutely. Without, wasting any time, I think we can start. And first of all, I want to know from you, how did you start your journey, before, because you've been always talking about, photography, filmography, but nobody really knows, what is your journey. So I wanted to start from there.
See, okay, I don't come from a film or photography background. I'm actually in MBA marketing. I
Wow.
studied marketing in Australia, came back to India, 2008 recession. Didn't have a job, joined my dad's business. Didn't want to do that. So her berozgari karta, I went into films. I said, okay, let's start making films. I was actually part of a theater group from ISKCON, and there they wanted to create a short film out of a theater play of theirs. And
Right.
so right there is when the idea came, okay, yeah, if we can actually do that, why not start with a short film? To
Correct.
learn the process and everything. So I started talking around because 2009, internet was not that big, YouTube was not that
Yeah.
big. We didn't have
Yeah.
tutorials, we didn't have people teaching us. If you would go to anybody, nobody would actually teach us. मतलब मैं अगर किसी से जाके पूछता था कि यार फिल्म मेकिंग में क्या करना, फोटोग्राफी में क्या करना, वैसे घूरता था मेरे को जैसे मैंने उसकी जायदाद मांग ली. So so उस case में it was very
Yeah.
very hard for me to actually learn the process because already my family had spent so much money on my masters and everything. I didn't expect them to spend more money on
True.
education.
True.
And my father comes from a school where he says, "Listen, I've done enough for you. Now you do whatever you want with your
You
life.
want to
My responsibility is over."
over.
He helped me a lot in the beginning. मतलब he gave me the number of a loan manager. तो कह रहे थे जाके लोन ले ले. मेरे को कभी भी ये नहीं मिला कि यार ये ले पैसे चार्ज ले अपनी जिंदगी. So it was more of a like a kick in the back saying, "Okay, listen, do whatever you want, just don't fail."
Wow.
So that's how it started. I made my first short film. I invested everything I owned at that point in time. Learned everything throughout. I was part of the set building. I was part of the script writing. I wrote my own script. I was with the carpenters and everybody building the set. I was coordinating actors. I was coordinating
Correct.
crew. I owned zero equipment. I had nothing. So I had
Nothing.
to rent out literally everything from a pin to an airplane. मैंने तब ये रियलाइज किया था कि यार अगर कुछ ना भी हो कुछ कर सकते हो मतलब
Correct.
you're not restricted the only restriction is your mindset.
Your mind.
उस टाइम पे कोलैबोरेशन कुछ नहीं होता था आज के डेट में तो लोगों के पास कोलैबोरेशन है
Correct.
राइट मतलब मेरे टाइम पे तो अगर मैं लोगों से कोलैबोरेशन की बात करूं उनको लगता था वो मैं उनका बिजनेस खींच रहा हूं आई एम ट्राइंग टू पोर्च देयर बिजनेस और आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न व्हाट दे डूइंग एंड मे बी आई विल गेट देम आउट ऑफ बिजनेस और steal their clients.
Right.
That was the mindset. And coming
Absolutely.
from there, I actually managed to learn only on the ground level, getting
Hmm.
internships. I worked on things like Highway on My Plate. I worked on projects in Mumbai. I became part of Mukta Arts, and but always at a very assistant level. I mean, Highway on My Plate, I was a camera assistant.
Okay.
MBA marketing, camera assistant at 500 rupees a
Assistant.
day.
Yeah.
Imagine that, right? 500 bucks a day was
But I
my
think,
thing. और उससे ज्यादा तो मैं खाने में खर्चता था.
that's how it starts. I mean, we can't expect that, we are just straight out of something and, we'll be sort of
Yeah,
directing or, taking that high level stake. We have to go through the
yeah, yeah.
ground process to, achieve where we want to.
So I actually learned from the very, very down the line. I wouldn't call them a blue collar thing, but they were the crew. They were the backbone of any production, and those
True.
were the people who actually taught me. Those were the people who
Wow.
actually told me what to do, what not to do, how to go about it, and what to do next.
Absolutely. I think very interesting, to start the conversation with that. It doesn't matter, if you have that passion and you can start, you can learn from wherever. So I think a great learning for all of us. Awesome. So, one question now arises for a lot of people who now, want to step into photography, or they're there, but they don't know how to go. How should they go about it? Where they should go and learn, first of all?
See, I come from a school of thought where you learn everything on grounds, on practical learning experiences. So my first recommendation to anybody out there, even though I run an institute, right? I run an academy, I teach, I run online courses, I run offline courses. But for me, it's not necessary to you to come to me. For me, it is necessary that you get the best of what you want. So I always recommend people, first thing that you should look out for is a job profile that teaches you on the job hands-on experience. Start collaborating with senior photographers, start collaborating with senior filmmakers, learn from them. If you join somebody as an intern, understand that you have to learn what they're doing. You have to go deep dive into the back end of how they are doing it. Just don't be attracted by the shoot. मतलब shoot हर चीज नहीं होती है. Shoot के पीछे भी बहुत मेहनत जाती है. Pre-production बहुत important है, चाहे वो photography हो चाहे वो film हो. आपके लिए post production बहुत important है, चाहे वो photography या film हो. हर चीज production नहीं होती है, हर चीज glamour नहीं होती है. आपको घिसना पड़ता है. मतलब कल दबुर पानी के साथ जब हमने live करा था, उन्होंने भी बहुत सही चीज बोली कि वो interns इस वजह से नहीं रखते क्योंकि 90% लोग उनके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ मस्ती मारने के लिए आते हैं. और वो फैक्ट है. आज की डेट में जो मैंने भी फेस करा, जिस वजह से मैंने एकेडमी शुरू करी है, was because I wanted to teach people who I want to give business to.
Yeah.
Right. Imagine we're a day and an age now, because of everything, because of the scenario, that we can't travel anymore. I can't be going to Chennai tomorrow or Bangalore tomorrow to do a shoot. Absolutely. I need somebody there. Right. I need somebody there. So now if I have somebody who is associated with me, who I have trained at any point in time, I would prefer giving him business than somebody who's new to me and I just know them.
True. And I think just to add on to that, I love the idea about you. I remember, I did a basic workshop with you where, you always say that you want to, impart knowledge with minimum sort of cost, because, it's so expensive when we talk about, anything apart from so-called engineering and commerce, that, parents, first of all, don't allow, and there's no place to go. So I think that value itself is amazing. So I think, a lot of people who are working out, they can definitely, reach out to Shootguru for a lot of you in fact are doing a lot of free webinars that, and, workshops, which are like at a very minimalistic cost. Absolutely. Thank you. So, okay. My next question is, regarding, we're talking about filmmaking photography with minimalistic equipments. So what do you exactly mean by that? What is that minimalistic equipment that people can have today?
What do you have that you can shoot with right now?
I have my phone.
Exactly.
I have my mobile, yeah.
Everybody's got a phone. Everybody has the first basic camera that is a good HD shooting camera. A camera जो HD shoot कर रहा है. In some cases, it even shoots 4K, depending आपके पास कौन सा phone है. Phone companies are upgrading their lenses. Phone companies are adding multiple lenses. I mean, their cameras with 6 bloody lenses in them. I don't even carry that many lenses with my camera that a phone has inbuilt.
Yeah.
So imagine that there's so much power in your pocket that you can start there, right? Start with only that. I mean, to add to that, even what we've been doing, like you said, with the education, is we are making it affordable. So, इसी phone वाली बात पे, why I'm just breaking the monotony is Wednesday is a free phone photo video workshop. So for anybody to start shooting with what they have, I always tell people, listen, you don't have a camera, don't buy one until you understand what is composition, what is shutter, what is aperture, what is ISO. First, freaking understand every basic. Maybe you don't even like shooting tomorrow. Maybe you're a director, right? Maybe you're an actor.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you, let's say you are an actor, you are into acting, you are passionate about acting. If I give you an opportunity tomorrow, you have two options. Either you come and act in my film or come and do a camera for my film. You will always pick up acting because that is your first priority.
Absolutely.
But if I say, yeah, I don't have an acting opening, but I have a shooting opening, since you've attended these workshops, since you know how it works, you would say, okay, can I come and assist or can I come and join?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
That gives you a foot in.
Yes.
I believe that any knowledge that you get, be it editing, be it pre-production, be it post-production, be it anything, it gives you a foot in to somebody else's life or to somebody else's sphere, and you can take use or make use of all those additional things that they are doing or providing to your benefit.
Absolutely.
Like even with collaboration, I feel that Edgenus is doing such an amazing work by getting education to people, getting you collaborating with speakers who are experts in the industry. I love that. I love it. I love it for one single fact that when experts come and talk, even if you're talking for 30 minutes and you get 10 minutes of gyan that helps you, that's enough.
True.
That's more than enough to start. There has to be a place where you can start.
Yeah.
Right. So your phone, minimalistic equipment, your phone. If you can start shooting with your phone. To give you an example, my first travel film, I love traveling. I have been, I consider myself a travel filmmaker than anything else because I love doing it. I have worked with almost all tourist boards, but my first film was shot on an iPhone 6.
Wow. Yeah.
Right. My second film was shot on an iPad. Not sponsored by Apple at all, but it was shot on them. Just because I was on a holiday. I am a filmmaker. I'm thinking like a filmmaker. So when I am taking my shots, when I'm composing my shot, when I'm doing a time lapse, when I'm doing a hyperlapse, when I'm experimenting with what my phone can do, I was able to create a piece of work that Malaysia tourism liked and they reposted, that Hong Kong tourism liked and they reposted, which in turn gave me Outlook Traveler as my first big client, which in turn gave me 23 different projects over the past 3 years.
Wow. That is so awesome. Wow.
Yeah. So
amazing.
Even on commercial projects, there is a film that we are going to post very soon. It's about the food of Hyderabad. 90% of that film was shot on an iPhone 7 Plus. Because we were shooting in back kitchens, we didn't have compact cameras. We had those big DSLRs. Now I have really amazing mirrorless cameras. But at that point in time, I did. And I really wanted to shoot, which was world class. And phone gave me that edge. So start shooting with your phone. Start experimenting with your phone. Start learning with your phone. That is the first step in whatever you can.
True. I think a good takeaway that, just start. And I'm sure, today everybody has an iPhone or, OnePlus or a good phone which has a good camera. So you can just start with that.
Even the Oppos of the world are
absolutely
beautiful cameras.
Beautiful cameras. Absolutely.